So we're here with Nature's Zombie Apocalypse, a game that was the other event technically last year. Yeah, they were here. Yeah, they were here last year at PCGW Weekender. Lots of fun. It's now well, I say slightly. It's now a lot more polished. So let's do some gaming and see what happens. It's myself and Paul. Flick, are you going to be playing? No, myself and Paul and the two from Insanity Radio. You might know those guys because they were at the Golden Joysticks. So we're going to put this mic down and do some recording. Let's do this. Oh no, I accidentally threw my grenade. No!
The babies.
Are you using the bee gun? Why do you have the bee gun? The bees!
The bees!
I put suicidal snails everywhere.
Go. Harambe, got no time for this.
Kill the zombies!
Hasta la vista, zombies. Can't touch me. Nah.
Hasta la vista.
Meat pie. See you later, okay?
Can I fly?
Nobody, nope.
Are you changed guns again?
I don't remember.
Triangle! Flamethrower!
Freeze ray! Freeze ray!
Hey, stop stealing my kills! I'm
Freeze ray!
Halo Wars 2 on the PC Gamer stage will be commencing at 10:30. That's the PC Gamer stage.
Yeah, the snails are mine, by the way.
They have an intercom with it. They're really upgraded the last game.
Yeah, Wait, I've got a bee gun. Oh no, that failed miserably.
Flame on!
Get it? Miserably. Oh god, that's a train. I was hit by a train, guys.
With your own train of thought, you lost it.
I lost my train of thought. Someone please revive me.
No.
That would be greatly appreciated.
How do you revive?
Accept your request. You may be revived. Fight the Harambe Wars.
Kill them all.
Yes, my lord. Order 66.
How do I switch weapons?
Triangle. Y.
Oh.
He's great. Harambe is back. I ain't saying no one touch him. The WWW title is Harambe in the palm of the low.
Come get some!
Come get some. I can't jump. I'm stuck. No! Trains!
Oh, no.
Revive me! Revive me!
I think you're
I've been glitched. Revive me!
Do I have to?
I revived you!
I'll give you that one.
For honor!
You're Vegeta!
Wait, how do I
Someone revived my ass!
how do I swing my
You
sword?
died again?
No, someone hasn't revived me. I got hit by a train when I was raging.
How do I swing my sword?
Oh!
You guys have failed the
Hang on, I'm about to. This isn't looking good for me. I'll be honest, guys. I'm rolling away.
I
Someone
just
revive
jumped
me!
it. Let's see.
Harambe is your assistance in this matter. Guys, you've abandoned Harambe.
That sounds about right.
Freeze ray! Freeze ray!
Yeah, freeze me up. Get me up. Get me up.
Where are you? Oh.
What do you think? I'm the big gorilla, the green one. Ain't gonna stop me. I am back.
Oh no, guys, I'm surrounded.
That's your fault. You didn't revive me, I don't revive you.
Health refilled.
Oh god, I'm
Toaster time!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Ice,
No!
I like how you two are making loads of noise, then us two are just sitting here silent.
I know, it's just...
You can tell with a personality.
Yes, I'm Rogo Dawn. I don't know.
Can someone please save me?
No.
For the kingdom!
Yeah, free man. Are you doing grenades? How do I...
I should have run.
I guess so. That's not flying.
Yay! I'm alive. Wait for me.
I'm just literally circling around these zombies, trying to swipe them.
Would you say they're zombies?
Somebody like me.
No, I wouldn't.
Jump and shoot! Jump
No,
and shoot!
Harambe has no methods. Harambe has no way to deal with these
Yeah, you'd think, considering I played this game last year, I'd be slightly good at it. But, nope. not even remotely.
Harambe, I mean,
You're not good at any
duck,
of it, really, so
the
that's...
duck of death, watch out! It's the clown, killer clown.
I thought I was dead there.
Well, that's a shame.
We're slowly all
Harambe's the last one left.
Harambe will hold his ground.
Don't shoot Harambe.
I can deal with
You can
non-shooters.
revive yourself if you're
Burn, heretics of Harambe. Burn. Burn ye in holy fire. Can't catch me. Oh, can't catch this.
I fucked it after.
Honey grenade, honey grenade.
Left bumper, I think.
Ah, get off me. Harambe does not approve. Harambe does not approve. Harambe is out of here.
You button.
Harambe is out of here. Oh, WCW type belongs to Harambe. Oh, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Huh? Harambe can only save himself.
If we wait long enough, we'll be revived.
Yeah, you're back. Welcome back to the Marines. Do the giant. Oh my God. Who woke him up? I'm coming. Oh, pants. Can't catch this.
The minigun kind of sucks.
Wow, that's quick.
You kind of want to save me. I'm up the stairs right there.
Right, but there's a big old purple dude in front of me.
I'm not sure if you can see it, mate. There's a giant lumberjack out to kill.
I know, but I'm up there.
Don't care.
Leave him. He auto revives in a second.
Alright, never mind that. I'm back.
Welcome to the Marines.
I'm back. I don't know where I am. Oh God, I'm down there.
I feel like real achievement is we haven't all died yet.
I don't know how he managed to survive whilst we were all dead.
I'm Harambe. I almost
Look at
survived. Stop shooting me.
I feel like I'm
You'll
in the
find
Matrix.
until one of them has a gun.
I'm like, oh shit, my great weakness, lead.
Lead, my only weakness.
Ah! Can't catch me. Can't catch the Harambe train.
This looks so awesome.
Agent 47, back at it again. Yeah, Daniel. Back to back, back to back.
What is this?
Harambe,
Oh no, it's the Queen.
No,
Harambe's other nemesis.
It's the literal queen.
It's the literal
It's the
queen.
literal queen.
It is the
Run.
IRL Queen.
It is the actual real life queen.
El's Court looks like this, which is the best thing.
Okay, I'm come back now.
Ah, crap.
I'm caught up on the side.
That was quick.
I jumped in front of the train. I thought it was going to stop.
No, it doesn't stop. It's the hype
The
train.
train doesn't stop for anyone.
It's the hype train. It don't stop for no one.
The respawn time
Harambe
is
is
long,
back.
though.
Oh, Harambe's back with the WCW title. Oh. Right back again. Johnson's got the title. Beautiful start is on him. Oh, let's flame. Oh, Harambe back. Harambe King. Winston's at it again. Primal Rage. Primal Rage. Oh no, my weakness. And now that you're back.
Let's probably jump off the train before it rides up about me.
Burn, baby, burn.
I don't mind waiting a minute, you guys, but I don't want to wait a minute.
So you do mind waiting a minute. I'll come back for you. Harambe saves his friend.
This video's been going on for like 11 minutes, so we've survived for about 8 minutes so far.
That's because Harambe's swag skills, you know. Guys, can you come to the right, please? We need to save someone.
No, I'm underneath.
there's like...
You're
corpse
gone
is
for me.
there.
I ain't coming back for you.
My corpse is like...
I ain't going for you.
It's like somewhere. I don't know.
Oh! Harambe's
What? I'm the only one left? What is this madness?
I got knocked out.
Harambe's been hit by a train.
My great weakness.
No!
Save me.
We have
Get out
no
there.
chance!
Save-
There is no hope!
Get out of there!
No!
Fly, you fool!
No! Kill them all!
We're screwed, aren't we?
Take the chains and take the Hammersmith and City line.
You've got to survive 40 seconds, so you think you can do it?
No! There is a 0% chance of me surviving the next 40 seconds!
I don't know.
30 seconds, 30 seconds, come on!
Revive me.
Wait,
Revive
go
Harambe.
down, go down, go
Just save
down.
Harambe.
Down,
I'm
down,
the
down.
best character.
No!
I'm the most original character.
Come on!
There's bound to be a
So
box
it's only
somewhere.
Harambe with glasses, so...
Harambe. I'm a Harambe.
look at that skill.
Full metal Harambe.
No, it ain't worth it.
No, there's no time.
It ain't worth it.
No.
It ain't worth it.
It's on back.
10 seconds.
You come at Kazi.
Wow, I did
Who got the most points?
And that.
Harambe got the most points. Me. Mark.
And that is how you fail miserably.
Harambe saves everyone. The end. Harambe saves everyone. The end.
Oh, that is great.